Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the guide on Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost. Having a Tesla would bring many benefits over traditional internal combustion vehicles. Invariably, you wouldn't have to think of filling up gasoline, coolants, or even dealing with some problematic mechanical parts of conventional cars. Although, the Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost has been of concern on the aspect of battery replacement. Thus, the words battery and replacement have always caused discomfort in the heart of Tesla owners. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. So far, the bad news relating to this issue is that the costs associated with an electric vehicle are very high. Conversely, the good news is that battery replacement is over 8 years. It is uncommon for Tesla owners to think of changing or replacing the battery often, like conventional or other electric vehicles. Though most Tesla models, such as Model S, are still putting miles on their original battery even after exceeding 400,000 miles. Perchance, I will examine the functionality of the best 12-volt battery for the Tesla Model 3 for your good. Moreover, the need for a battery replacement might arise someday. This informative video will indeed examine these specific contents such as Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery warning, what is Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery capacity, how long does Tesla 12-volt battery last, what is the Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery size, how much is Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost. As much as Tesla vehicles have high voltage in powering the electric cars, they still utilize the traditional 12-volt lead-acid accumulator to power many of the car's serious functions. Although, in conventional or most other vehicles, the battery could die without warning the owner, which might lead to being stuck with a bricked car on the roadside. So far, to prevent these unforeseen situations of 12-volt batteries for Tesla Model 3, Tesla has provided push notifications to Tesla EVs owners through their mobile app to notify them of the potential 12-volt battery for Tesla Model 3 getting low in terms of power and as well replacement. As regards this, Tesla owners have waited for such improvements and will also want more functionality on alerts or notifications when there is low tire pressure through the mobile app. Though a comment by Elon Musk back in 2020, major software improvements were already in place to help extend the lifespan of the 12-volt battery. In like manner vowed that more technological advancement was coming. What is Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery capacity? The capacity of the Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery ranges from 50 kWh to 82 kWh. But this stat solely depends on whether your vehicle is the standard or the long-range Model 3 in the trim level. Similarly, the Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery has a Type 2 charge port, a left side rear location, a charger of 11 kW AC, and many other features. However, the Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost is one of the cheapest battery packs, unlike the Models X and S. How long the Tesla 12-volt battery would last cannot be determined by you, the owner. Although, the lifespan of the 12-volt battery can range from 3 to 5 years. These batteries may last for 3 years. You need help checking the health of your Tesla battery. Be sure to avoid hooking your 12-volt battery as doing that could lead to battery deterioration and need for a replacement. Similarly, heavy use of vehicle accessories in Sentry mode when your contactors open will also strain the battery and decrease its lifespan. Finally, exposing your vehicle to extreme heat conditions of heat and cold will negatively impact the battery's longevity. What is the Tesla Model 3 12V battery size? The size of the replacement battery you would need on a Tesla Model 3 12-volt depends on the spec or brand of the Model 3 vehicle. However, the Model 3 12-volt uses a battery size of 60 kWh. How much is Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost? Getting Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost will functionally depend on the time of replacement and the location where you want to replace the 12-volt battery for Tesla Model 3. Although, if your vehicle is under warranty, you won't pay for the replacement. But if your story differs from the norm, you would spend about $13,000 to $14,000, including costs for parts and labor. Tesla 12-volt battery replacement Model 3 warranty. In essence, the batteries that come along with Tesla vehicles are precious, and you wouldn't want to take unnecessary chances with them. However, Tesla inevitably has a warranty for all their vehicles' batteries, but for a specific period. Perchance, Tesla 12-volt battery replacement Model 3 warranty is about 120,000 miles or 8 years. So far, the Tesla warranty honors coverage for their customers on their Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost. Tesla firmly believes that its batteries can withstand almost anything thrown at them. Notwithstanding, there is nothing for Tesla to be afraid of, and they know too well that if a blip should occur in the system and a bad battery might result, they are capable of coverage for their outstanding customers. Replacing the Model X 12-volt battery could be done at the Tesla Service Center, where some other customers have experienced satisfaction from Tesla. Although Tesla has put it forward on the vehicle model's lifespan, and if Model X is no exception in that Model X has various brands. In the same vein, their lifespan or lifetime is the range of Model X's 351 miles or 8 years, and Model X Plaid has a range life of 335 miles or 8 years. So, if your Model X 12-volt battery has got to its mileage or has defects, you could get a new battery pack. In addition, the cost of having a replacement for brands of Model X with a battery of 12 volts is $12,000 to $20,000, including the cost of parts, battery pack, and labor. What happens when Tesla 12-volt battery dies? It is evident that the battery functions to generate electric current, charges, that sustains the system of the Tesla vehicles. So, with the 12-volt supply and support, the vehicle would be responsive, and you would likely unlock your car in its stores. Even if you want to jump-start your vehicle, you would manually open the frunk. Method may vary by Tesla models. Consult an online guide or notify the Tesla support system. Although it should stay at this point since Tesla sends notifications weeks or even days before your battery gets flat, be careful to adhere to the instructions. How long does a Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery last per charge? Unlike conventional vehicles, Tesla adjusts the availability of distance or mile range because of the current varying driving conditions of most drivers today. Generally, the battery would last for at least 276 to 405 miles on a single charge for all Tesla vehicles. Hence, a Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery will last for a range of 276 miles per charge. Remember that Model 3 Tesla has 3 versions or brands, so I will also explore the remaining 2. 1. The Tesla Model 3 long range has 334 miles per charge. 2. Tesla Model 3 Performance has 315 miles per charge. In essence, Tesla's Model 3 is a more affordable option for customers, that is why it came with a small internal battery system. Though the battery is one of the most determining factors in the cost of an EV, that said, the bigger the battery, the more range of mileage it would have. I suggest getting the best 12-volt battery for the Tesla Model 3 when needed. Where to buy Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery? Where to buy the Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery is a vital question, but that's not an issue regarding the advancement of technology. It is straightforward to do that online. You can get the best 12-volt battery for Tesla Model 3 online through reliable sources or sites like Amazon or eBay. Although you could check some local vehicle dealers in your area, I wouldn't recommend that. Similarly, the most exciting option is to contact Tesla directly for any recommendation towards getting the appropriate Tesla 12-volt battery replacement Model 3. In conclusion, Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery replacement cost does vary because of the different trims or specs of the Tesla Model 3. Replacing its battery could be no worry, but the cost associated could pose so much concern, especially for those Tesla owners who can't easily afford 15 to 40% of their vehicle's initial price. That said, taking your Tesla Model 3 to a conventional vehicle dealer to save money would undoubtedly be a risk, or even purchasing used batteries. Though if you must buy a used battery, be sure to verify the health conditions of the battery pack as much as possible. To put things right, Tesla offers a warranty of 8 years or 100,000 to 150,000 miles for any manufacturing deficiencies, defects in batteries, or even the entire vehicle. Perchance, this security gives you their customer relief financially. I recommend you take good care of your battery as you checkmate and improve your driving techniques. Confidently, in the end, the Tesla 12-volt battery replacement Model 3 would not be an issue to Tesla EV's owners. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.